7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright guys, it is 11:59. Just huge thanks to everyone that participated. And here we go. We're gonna have 2 winners. So here we go. The competition has ended. Come on, draw the winners. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna draw 2 winners out of 109 users. Alright, here we go. 1. Alright, so I didn't realize this, but your information is blacked out here. But the winners are Gunplum Maker and John Menard Lubugun. So 1 from New York and 1 from the Philippines. Huge congrats. Awesome. Very cool. And the actions that won was a visit to Facebook and a subscribe to the channel. That's everything. Alright guys, this video is so easy, a toddler could. I remember you being much taller and beardier. I'm just gonna go do this.